Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make boiled chicken salad at home full guide. Start by preparing a flavorful broth and trimming chicken breasts for even cooking. I walk you through seasoning the water, timing the boil, and checking doneness with a quick cut. Then we cool and shred the meat, add crisp veggies, and finish with a zesty dressing. You will get tips for storage and serving ideas, plus easy swaps. Boil with confidence by keeping the water at a gentle simmer and adding simple aromatics like onion, garlic, and bay leaf. I explain how long to cook based on thickness and how to test doneness without guessing. After removing the chicken, cool it briefly in an ice bath to stop cooking and make shredding easier. These steps ensure juicy, shred-ready chicken for your salad every time with minimal fuss or guesswork. Combine shredded chicken with crunchy celery, sweet grapes, or toasted nuts for texture contrast. I show a simple dressing using mayonnaise, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper, with optional herbs like dill or parsley. Toss gently to coat without mashing the ingredients and taste for seasoning adjustments. Chill the salad briefly to let flavors marry before serving on greens, sandwiches, or stuffed into avocados as a fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.